Pow! Good morning, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Obviously, we got some trading going on, but today I needed a little help from you guys. We went up to MGM National Harbor yesterday after we traded, and we played some poker, won 250. So we put a $200 parlay bet on the football games this weekend. So we're gonna break down these bets. But what I need from you guys is to give me some luck with this parlay bet. Hit like on this video. That's going to give us the luck we need. And if I hit this parlay bet, which is a $200 bet to win $2,200, next week we will give away a $100 gift card here on the channel. That's it. $100 gift card if we hit this parlay bet this weekend. So make sure you hit like on this video and give me that luck. Here's what we need. We need the Bucks to beat the Rams by more than 3. We got the Bucks -3. We got the Packers -5.5. We got the Bengals +3.5, and we have the over 48.5 in the Rams Bucks game. So that's what we're looking for this weekend from MGM. We're free rolling it anyway because we won the money in poker. So if we win, it's a free 2 G's, and 100 of it is going to go to you guys. We hit 3 trades today. Let's trade. All right, first trade of the day here was on Tesla. It went down big with the market to start, and we go ahead and get 10 shares long here just as it's pressing down towards that 975 mark. You can see it made a big move down from 1,000, so down 25 points here just off the opening bell. And in 10 shares there, excuse me, and looking for the ad if it breaks down towards 970. It was looking for 970 on the next 10 shares. It didn't quite get there, went sideways for about 5 minutes or so, so now it's either going to get up there and it's going to get my profit, or I'm going to stop it if it continues below the lows. So I'm watching it here, watching it to get up through 980, and I'm actually smart enough this time to load up half share size, even though it's just 5 shares. And as it pops through 980 there, go ahead and take 5 shares off. 5 shares left, giving me the opportunity to make some more. I mean, with these big price stocks, it does not take a lot of share size to make some money. Only in 10 shares total here in Tesla, already made 22 bucks there on the first 5 shares. We got 5 shares rolling a little bit further. I was looking at the chart here. I was thinking 984 would be decent. I was thinking 984, but then I was like, 984 could be that point where it gets that little rejection just looking at the chart here. So I went ahead and loaded up my order at 983. So I'm watching for a move through 983, and we'll see what it does through there, and then we'll go ahead and click the button depending on what it does. So breaks through 983 here and gets pretty much right up to 984. And when I see it just slightly break through 980, I believe it breaks through 984 for just a second here. It kind of came back down for a minute, but then it's going to, here we go. We're going to pop up right through 984 just a second. I go ahead and click the button, get filled there at 983.85, and we've made $61 on 10 shares of Tesla. So nice little bounce there. Can't complain about it. Spoiler alert, we're coming back to Tesla later on in the day. Next trade here was on Piton. Piton was, kind of making moves back and forth. It hadn't made one yet that I was overly interested in, but I was watching it here as it was making the move towards the $half mark at 27.50. Go ahead and put 200 shares out at 27.48. Initially got a partial fill there. I got 189 shares of the 200. You can see it there on the order screen, highlighted in yellow. Just left it out because it's another 11 shares that we didn't get filled there. So looking to get the full 200 share fill here at 27.48, which we do. So in there, if it pops nicely through 27.50, I was looking 27.80s was going to be the ad here on this one. But I was only looking for a little scalp, and I ended up taking half off because I didn't like what it was doing. I thought I was getting a little bit lower, so took half off there at $2 gain. But you can see down below me here in the TMISW chat box kind of how that works. Slightly throughout the morning, but you can see my call out there on Piton, the small scalp short sale Piton. So I was only looking for a small move here, wasn't looking for anything extended because this one was kind of just making those kind of up, and then small pullback and up, and then small pullback moves throughout the day. So I'm now looking for the last 100 shares here down through 27.30. I go ahead and load up an order at 27.28, looking for that move down further here if I can get it, and just take, once again, a small scalp win. Kind of got a bad fill on that first 100 shares at only 2 cents. I thought I was getting through 10 cents. You can see the little wick on it went down real quick. That's where I clicked the button, but it went right back up just as quick, so didn't get a good fill there. But you know, that's what happens when you use a market order instead of a limit order. So there it breaks down through 27.30, get the fill there at 27.25, I believe, and no, 28, and get the $25. So finally, Tesla again, it's making another move to the downside, and I kind of really just wanted the last $14 to get me over 100 on the day. So I'm watching it here as it makes this nice push down below 964. Go ahead and get 10 shares long there, right at 964. And this is also a scalp. I'm just looking to get my goal there, and I initially put the order out right at 964. I eventually change it, which you're not going to see in the edit, to 963.91, just to kind of front run that 964 a little bit. So starts popping back up here. I've got my order sitting out there, a little bit of resistance at 965.50, and then pops right through and fills me. So that gets us to the goal on the day, up over $100, which is pretty good for the day because overall it was kind of a slow day. The market bled out throughout the morning. Pretty much everything bled out with it. So for my style, what I like to trade, it wasn't a lot there. But that's going to do it. Up $105 to end the week, head into the weekend. Hopefully hit this parlay bet. Give me that luck, guys. Give me that luck, guys. I need luck speaking because I can't speak when I'm tired. Give me that luck. Hit the like. Let's hit this parlay bet. Give you guys $100 of it. I'll see you guys next week.